Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and
Ever since my mother got this gorgeous Artliving cake stand, every day feels like a tea party. I love the elegant white and gold design. It makes her cupcakes and desserts look extra fancy. It's really sturdy, even when I load it up with threads, and the three tiers give me plenty of space to show everything off. The plastic is easy to clean, which is perfect for a baking enthusiast like me. And when she's not using it, she can disassemble it easily for storage. But honestly, we prefer to leave it assembled so we can show it off in the coffee bar that we have here. This cake stand has made all her tea parties and celebrations feel so much more special. It's a perfect touch of elegance, and we almost feel like British people here. So if you hear my mother just speaking like a British person, it's because of this cupcake and cake stand.
so this is Brian with WTI, and that is my point of view.